I'll be right back. Move your nose.
I love you. I love you.
Oh my god. Where did you come from?
Eat it. You got it, bud.
I hold him up.
Oh God. Wait, grab Skittles! Mom!
Yeah. I get to be in bed. Are you kidding? Where am I supposed to sleep?
Go sleep on the couch.
Come on, no. Chase, move over. No. Why? Why is it always me? Come on, move over. Just move a little bit to the side. Like, oh God, fine.
What are you doing? You scared?
Sit. Good boy.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking? You're so psycho. What are you doing?
You did not expect that.
它是皮是怎么吃饭的？哎，这
So this is their cat tower, right, from when they were babies. So here's Simba hiding his little hidey hole, and here's his entire ass.
Hello, motherfucker.
Stop eating my animal crackers! Get out!
Wow.
What the heck was that?
I hold him up.
So we can say anything and just talk about anything, talk about the football, the Euros, but as soon as I say, shall we go for a walk?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight!
Ask you big mad or little mad? You big mad or little mad?
Dog tetherball. Who's winning?
I think Olive? Lie down.
Lay down, bud.
What did you do?
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
He hated when his friend were rolling around the house.
Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Back it up, back it up, back. Back it up, back it up. Oh, 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 oh.
All right, Squishy, we're doing yoga today, okay? Squishy, get on your mat. Squishy, you got yoga poses to do. Your posture is really bad. Squishy, get on your mat now. Squishy.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
This is Henry. This is Leo.
No, wait. I have to go. Let go.
Thanks for watching funny animal videos. Cat Dog. Please subscribe, comment, and share.